How to unlock all private Telegram channels without a link. Real answer 2026. Trying to join private channels on Telegram without an invite link? Here is the accurate and safe information. Note: private Telegram channels are intentionally restricted. There is no official way to join or unlock a private channel without an invite link or admin approval. Telegram's privacy settings are designed to protect channel content. Here is what you can do instead. Step 1. Ask for the invite link. Contact the channel owner or admin and request the official invite link. This is the only direct method to join a private channel. Step 2. Search for public versions. Sometimes creators run both public and private channels. Use the Telegram search, enter the channel name, and check if a public channel exists. Step 3. Join through shared links. If someone already joined the channel, they may share the invite link with you. Caution: avoid fake unlock apps or tricks. Apps claiming to unlock private channels are unsafe. They can steal your data or get your account restricted. Telegram does not support bypass methods. In conclusion, private Telegram channels cannot be unlocked without an invite link. Only admin approval or a valid invite link allows access.